Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing loose dirt. Vacuum the velvet with an upholstery nozzle, one pass along and one across the nap. This prevents rubbing grit into fibers. Once done, always spot test. Dab the mild detergent mix on a hidden seam and wait 10 to 15 minutes to confirm no color shift. Now fold a clean microfiber into quarters and dampen it, wring to nearly dry, and you're ready to lift stains rather than saturate the fabric. You attack the stain by blotting from the outside in, which contains the mark without spreading. Make short, decisive blotting motions with the damp microfiber, and when fibers resist, apply gentle steam from 6 to 8 inches away. Move continuously to prevent water rings. After steaming, press an absorbent towel onto the area to pull moisture out. Repeat once if needed. Make sure to finish with a light brushing in the nap direction, so the velvet lays uniformly. You finish by gently brushing the velvet with a soft clothes brush to lift the pile and restore that plush look. Brush in one direction, then reverse lightly. Once done, let the item air completely. Place a fan nearby for 30 to 60 minutes if the room is humid. If you notice dye bleeding or a persistent halo, stop cleaning immediately, blot with a dry cloth, and consult a professional upholstery cleaner. Their solvents and techniques handle dye issues you shouldn't attempt at.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.